In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add borders to video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first, let's minimize this video right here just so that we can see the edge, and let's say that we would want to add a border there. So it's simple. You just need to go here, navigate into your tools, and find the rectangle tools or the shape tool, depending on what kind of shape you would want as a border. So in this case, we would want the rectangle one. So I'm gonna go click here. And if it's not set into rectangle, you can hold down into that rectangle tool, and then you'd now be able to see these choices depending on the shape that you would want to use. In my case, I just want a rectangle tool. And from here, I'm now going to draw the shape right here. So I should go for this one right there. So that should be enough. And from here, so that I would be able to see the border, I would want to make the video on top. And now I would now be able to see that. And from here, if you would like to make some edits on your graphics, you can just go here into vector motion, and you will now be able to adjust it accordingly right there. So I think this one is enough. And from here is that if you would want to add some curve edges, you can definitely do that. You can click here on your graphic, go into Essential Graphics. If you don't have this tab, you want to go into Window and make sure Essential Graphics is checked. From here, click on the shape. And now you can see the fill, the stroke, and the shadows, and so on. But since we would want it to be curved, we want to navigate here into the curve symbol. And we just simply would want to increase that value, and then you will now be able to see it being curved. As you can see right there, so now we have a curved border. And from here, we could also change the color. So let's say I would want to change this into red. And now we have that strong red in there. And then you could also add shadows and some other features in here. And next is that I'm going to go and make it the same length as the video right there. And now if you'd want to treat this as one, then you can just select both of them and then right click. And from here, you want to go for nest so that whenever you move this, it will now move as a whole or get edited as a whole. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.